Let's do that. Um, do that. Okay. What a rectin. Aga? Wait, do I actually not have Aga? Wait, what? No way. No way. I can't believe I haven't. Wow. Wow. I can't believe it. Well, I just fixed it. Let's add Aga high too. Yeah, I can't believe I don't have Aga. There we go. Aga high and Aga are now here. But what the fuck is going on outside? I'm hearing a bunch of noises right now. Aga. Here, let me reset chat real quick and see if that fixes this. Refresh cache. Boom, it should be good now. Okay. Aga test. Aga. Nice. 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 Alright, we got it. We got it. Okay. Henny, where your face at? Oh, I'll show you. Ooh. I'm in the blue dimension today. Look, I have 2 new lights. We're in the blue dimension. It doesn't look as blue as I thought it was going to look, but I like the color blue. And look, 2 big blue lightsaber looking things right here, aka lights. Okay. Beep 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 beep. Okay, so basically over the last few days, I've been doing a lot of family stuff. You know, it's Thanksgiving time and whatnot, and I've been having to help out a lot around the house and stuff like that, around the the property, doing stuff. And I got a little bit into learning a little bit about Docker and stuff like that. Um, Basically trying to run like Pi-hole and Unbound on my Pi. Just kind of messing around with that. I didn't get too far into it. No, nothing too crazy. Got a little bit of code that I was running for it. Mostly mostly ripped from a YouTube video tutorial about this whole thing. And I just had to like, manage everything and, change it because, it obviously didn't match my stuff, but, all good. Wait, we're actually in the blue dimension now. Wait. Wait. We're blue. Today, we are blue. This is so big. I'm low-key scared of showing this though because it's like it's got a lot of IP addresses and stuff on it, and like I'm sure it would be fine, but I don't know what I'm doing and I don't want to dox myself. Pretty much. Pretty much. Maybe we could get the Pi up and running. Perhaps. Perhaps. Do I turn music on? I think so. IP wouldn't be enough? Yeah, true. Well, see, you know what I mean? It's like, I don't know what would be. I'm still learning. and trying to figure out what would fuck me and what would not. Pretty much. All right, I guess I could show this. I think it'll be fine. Let me get a little bit of Music Max on. Why not? Bro, I really I missed fucking OWCS, the Overwatch shit. I'm sad. I'm sad. What's I about to do? Music. That's right. Do not get distracted. We must do what we came here to do. Not that one, no. I think we'll go with the chill one today. Interview tomorrow. I vibe coded one shot the take home, clueless about how to code. Just study it like crazy. And like just really understand how it works. And then do any other preparation you might think would be helpful. And then you got that. You got that, trust. Oh yeah, YouTube people, memberships now exist. They are like, do literally nothing, by the way. I just turned them on because like I was like, I don't know what this is. But yeah, that's the thing now. Overwatch? Yeah, Overwatch. I missed the competitive series. Championship series? Is OWCS? I think it's Overwatch competitive series. I don't know what it's called. The big thing that happened in Sweden. I missed it because it was like 2 in the morning. But I saw fucking SSG got obliterated. So I was like, okay. Thank you, Lenny. Very cool. Very cool. Very cool. Yo, I go to my browser and why was this site automatically on Zoom's percentage 67? What the fuck are we doing, man? What the fuck are we doing? Alright, boom. I'll show y'all. So, this is just a little fucking Docker Composable script. I'm still trying to learn how everything works, you know, like, you know, everything here. But you got, you know, main Pi-hole, which is going to be the ad blocker for stuff that it can actually block, stuff that's not like, you know, YouTube or like, I don't know, I think Twitch ads are also not covered by this, but, you know, just for everything else and stuff. And then Unbound for, you know, more security. You know what I mean? I did use a little bit of GPT help here because like I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, but you know, all it really was telling me to do was just, you know, like change, you know, some of the environment variables and stuff like that, you know, nothing too crazy. No NordVPN or nothing like that. Maybe we could give this a try today, huh? Maybe we could. Why not, bro? It'd be my first time actually doing some shit on here. Does it work? Okay, I haven't like I'm like still working on it. You know, I gotta like make sure it works on my Pi and stuff like that. So I think that's what we'll do today. We'll try to see if this this works and stuff. So with that being said, let's clear all this fucking trash out of the drawer. Get the Pi. Yeah, I need another mouse for this Pi. I gotta unplug mine every time. Let's do that. Oh, I am not on Overwatch on Twitch. Or I am on Overwatch, but I'm not on Overwatch. Change this from gaming. Science and technology. Set up your Pi with an SSH server, then you'll never have to plug into it again. This is true, actually. I've actually really been wanting to do that for a minute. Maybe we can do that as well. I mean, not maybe, we will. Because I want to do it. Dude, there's so many fucking cables. Please. Please. Oh my god. There's so much shit, man. There's so much shit. Okay. Plugged in. Plugged in. Just run Raspberry config on a terminal. Just toggle to turn it on. Okay, bet. Pi is on. Let's go. All right. Spare keyboard is here. Oh. Also. Can you turn on, please? You gonna turn on? Hello? Okay. This is what. Oh my god, it is not focusing. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let it lock in. Yo, this does not want to focus. But yeah, that is running like right on the side right here. Like right on the other side of me. Pretty much. Why don't we bring this down so I can see that? And we can do that, and we can do that. All right, nice, nice, nice. Okay, so now what I'm gonna have to do is unplug my mouse. Okay. Into the Pi. So I'm gonna do this over here. Pretty sure I updated this stuff the last time, but just to make sure, I'm gonna do it again. Wait a minute. Bro, I need another mouse, dude. This is gonna be so annoying. Okay. Okay. Another unpluginator. Put this one on top because I'm gonna be plugging and unplugging it a lot. Do this. What the fuck? Hello? Alright. Do this. And this. Hold on. Don't look at my GPT. No. Oh my god. Oh my god. Y'all did not see nothing, man. Y'all didn't see nothing. Alright, simple. Bring this up here. Bro, I wish I could see the keys. Okay. Go that. Do that. Okay, now to enable SSH. Alright. Yeah, I gotta figure out a way that I can actually show this. Interface options. SSH. Yes. Done. Let's go. Alright, bet. Got that. Now we just reboot. Now we reboot the Pi. Alright, once I'll be able to do this, I can just SSH from the thing and it'll be easy. Whoa! That was a new screen. Interesting. Interesting. All right. Rebooting has been successful. So, all right. Okay. First time SSH. That was me. All right. So now I'm gonna go here, and then so boom. I'm gonna go here, plug the mouse into the Pi once again. All right. Go to the terminal. Get our IP. All right, boom. Nice. Okay, so now that we have our host name, we plug mouse back into PC. We plug the mouse back into PC. Hello? Are you listening, USB? You piece of shit. Can you please go in? All right. You're in. Let's go. Okay. So we go here. Go here. Hi. What the fuck? Oh. Nice. Fuck, I forgot my password. Hold on. Wait a minute. Big Henny in the cut. What's up? What's up, family? How's it going, fam? Dude, so many Hennies are pulling up, bro. That's what I like to see. We gotta all band together. The band of Henny. So it should just be... Fuck. Did I change it? No. Fuck, I forgot my password. Permission denied. Yes! Okay, now we have to find our fucking password. Nice. Nice, bro, nice. Dabbling in, with C, writing a 2D physics engine for fun, using Raylib and the graphics, very fun. That's what's up, bro. Yeah, I'm a little bit interested in, doing a little graphics programming with C. I think that could be pretty cool. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Oh no, wrong one. Okay. Figuring out. You don't know, actually, I want to try that again. Permission denied. Okay. So I do have to find the actual password. Okay. Caps lock? No, caps lock not going on. It's a good check, though. You always gotta check that. Well, alright, let's just reset the password on the Pi. Okay. Reboots. And then, press the shift key. Into the let's see. Shift key is being pressed at this current moment. In case you are wondering, it is. Now what will happen? Pressing the shift key. Okay, nothing fucking happened. Nice. This is big. But I don't have a password for this. Why is it telling me I need all this? Let's figure this out. Let's see. From the control center. First, actually, let me do that. No. Let me see my fucking chat, man. Or not. Okay, all good. Display. Oh, got it. Okay, boom. Boom. All right, bet. All right. Okay. All right. We got it. Okay, so now unplug again from the Pi, the mouse, and then put it back into PC. Okay. Now. is it? Permission denied. Maybe you have to use the other one, actually. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Damn it. Alright. It's all part of the process. All part of the process. Let's have both of these up. Okay. What you cooking? So, we're attempting to SSH into the Raspberry Pi that I have right over here. If I had another way to, you know, show it, I would, but there's the display and then the actual Pi is like right there. And yes, we are in the blue dimension, so, you know, take that for what you will. You know what I mean? All right, nice. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm trying to get it right now. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Pull up this. Pull this over here. Can't go wrong with the blue dimension? That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Sometimes you just gotta go to the blue dimension. You know what I mean? You just gotta say fuck it and go, you know? That's just how it is sometimes. All right, mouse back into the Pi. Oh shit. Oh, I have to reboot the Pi in order for my password changes to be a thing. Ah, that makes sense. Maybe that's why it wasn't working. So we're just gonna let this thing turn on again and then we'll try again. That's what we'll do. All right. Boom, we're back into the Pi. All right. Boom. Let's try again. So glad you're finally streaming semi-early for once. Europe? Oh, that's what's up, bro. Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, lately I have been going a little bit later, whenever I stream, like around, it's like 5:19 my time, Central in US. So that could be very good for the EU folks. Just watched your cook video. Thank you for watching my video, family. I appreciate it, man. And we're doing a lot better now, I will say. Most definitely. Okay, boom. Now we will attempt to do the same thing again. Boom. Wait a minute. Oh, did I mess up? I might have messed up. Let's try this. Yes. Why? Denied again. What do you mean? God damn it. It's what would that be? Midday? Like 12 o'clock? So it's not early by any means, but you still early enough that I'm willing to lose some sleep. Oh, so okay, so it's midnight for y'all. Okay, bet. For sure, for sure. That's what's up. Well, thank you for stopping by, man. Dude, what the fuck? Why is this shit denying me? Wait a minute. It's the wrong thing. Now we gotta go over here. Is it configured to accept external SSH connections? It should be, yeah. I should have just fixed that, but there could be more I have to do with that, so it's very possible. Oh, we could run the classic. Oh, okay. Let's try this again. Okay. So, instead of it being pie, I named it Henny. Now let's try this. Boom. We are in. We are in. This is big. Okay. Okay. I want to show this. I'll show it. Why not? Okay. So, this is what I did. I kept trying to do it with pie, right? I tried Henny pie, and it was not it. And then it was finally accepted as Henny with the IP address to the pie. So, boom, we are now in. Yay! 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 Okay. So, all right, boom. Okay, boom. Okay. We got it. So now we are going to try to get this stuff done. So since this file is already on GitHub, we are going to do git operations and clone the repository that I have this particular file in, and then move it over. This is the next step of the operation. Bang, dude. Dude, this thing used to glow red. I don't know why it doesn't anymore. It would really help me out because I can't fucking see it. Do a quick update. All packages are up to date. Okay, bet. Sudo. Git. All right, that's good to go. So we'll also real quick make a directory named I don't know, fucking, I guess just like projects or something. Matilda. Nope. Done. Alright, we CD'd into projects. Okay. We have CD'd into it. Now, we'll go to the GitHub repository that I have. Bing. Bing. I wonder if I need to log into GitHub on here. Okay. Damn, that was 30 minutes? That mix is already done? No, that mix was so chill, bro. We'll start with this one as well. Even though I like the first part and don't like the second part, we can just skip. We will skip. All good. Oh, I should just probably have this up, shouldn't I? Just get that pulled up. Y'all hear the music right? You should be able to. I think I fixed it. The little thing that was happening the other day. Okay, so... And then, GitHub. Make sure I get this right. Let's see if this works. What's my username? Dude, I hate how they fucking just kill the vibe with that shit. Correct the vibes. Vibe correction is completed. Alright, we're back. W Smurf cosplay? Hey, you know what I'm saying? Today, we're in the blue dimension. Sometimes things have to be done. I may look like a Smurf, but I am 6'2". I am. This is true. This is true. Okay. What is my thingamajig for this? This is the this. This? What kind of awesome is this? Y'all know those videos? What kind of Henny 117 is this? This is the Henny 117. Shit. This is such a vibe, bro. I just need to do this like every day. Just play my mixes and then work on some programming stuff. This is cool. What up, Festus? What's up, bro? What? God damn it. Okay. Cooking my blood on Clock Tower script, Clash Royale characters? That's what's up. That's what's up. That's what we like to see. Lucky found YouTube For You page and realized I'm in the same boat as you. We will get through this shit for real. This big facts, Cappington. I agree, bro. We'll get through it. We just gotta, instead of being cooked, we gotta be the chef, you know? Type shit. Okay, so I might need to clone this repository, but I also am having issues because remote invalid username or token. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I must see something now. Big facts, but not Cappington? This is true. I was gonna say that. I was gonna say that. You beat me to it. I was gonna say that. Why is there a dash here? It says there's a dash, and then it lied. Why did you lie? Valid username or token password authentication is not supported for Git operations. Authentication failed for this. I think what I have to do is just make this non-private. We are not capping with this one. No cap. 0% cap in the statements. 0%. Let's just make this public, bro. Fuck it. Boom. Yes. 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 It's not the wrong. It couldn't be the wrong password, could it? No. This makes it underrated, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I gotta play this one more. Oh. Oh. Okay, let's just try that again, actually. Okay. I think we did it. Okay, I think we did it. Okay, good. So... Okay, we're in net. Okay, bang, got it. Are you trying to set up GitHub via SSH? It's like I'm trying to SSH. I've been trying to SSH into my Raspberry Pi just so I could do a bunch of operations on here where people can actually see it. And I cloned the little repository with the file that I'm going to be using for Docker that I'm going to be running Pi-hole and Unbound on. Type shit. Okay, so we got that. Bang. Okay, so that is the name. Okay, good. Confirmed. We're good. Okay, bet. YML. Upset. Let's see. Hey! Wait a minute. I think we got it. Okay, here's what I need to do. I need to plug my mouse into the Piinator. And then use this to expand the screen so I can see more. Now you see what the blue dimension is today. Yes. Today we are in the blue dimension. What's up, bunny? Welcome. Welcome to the blue dimension. We're getting serious. Holy fuck. Okay. And it gave me a bunch of common commands for Docker. That's what's up. Okay. All right, now we're in. We're in. Okay. We got Docker running on here. All right. All right. So, we've already CD'd into here. Let's just ls and see what we have. We have the actual file. Alright, for reference, let's just make sure that this is known. Alright, boom. Alright, boom. Wait, where's my chat? Come back. Come back now. Nope. Come back now. Okay. Okay. Okay, boom. Next. So we created all this. Recommended this pi out of pi IP. Okay, so I have two options here. Docker and Docker Compose plugin. I'm pretty sure they're installed, but just in case, I'm gonna do that. Are we gonna see what you're doing, or have we been banished to Visual Studio? Okay, so, everything I'm doing, right, is showing up over here. And I don't exactly have a good way of showing it, unfortunately, that I know of. Which is why I was trying to like SSH into it in the first place, just so people can see. Oh, what the fuck? Cappington with the sub. I don't know why I didn't see that. Thank you, bro. Wait, why didn't it alert me? What the hell? Bro, thank you so much. I didn't even see that. Thank you, GOAT. Dude, that's sick. I didn't even see that. What the fuck? Ah, yeah. Hold on, let me move. this to the middle. Why not? Does it not show up in the VS Code output or terminal tab, or is it all in the Docker thing? It's all in the Docker. And this is like, I mean, I'm in the Raspberry Pi terminal right now. So like, I mean, I've SSH'd into it, you know, on here, right? I just don't know how to get it like showing up everything, right? If that makes sense. Unless I were to do this. CD. Projects. Okay, we're in. Dude, why is everything blue? I said I wanted to be in the blue dimension, not my terminal. Are you trying to get the show up? Oh, these are the things I'm doing on the Raspberry Pi terminal over here. CD your booty cheeks. Yeah, I don't think that's the one, but you know what I mean. Okay, this is our file. So we've gotten actually to the point where we can do everything on here because we've SSH'd into this. So I don't even think I need this keyboard anymore. I think we're actually good. Since we've already cloned the repository. ZD's nuts. Yes! 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 What up, Eric? How's it going? CDE's nuts. Yes! Yes! That's what I need to do next. That's the next step. That was the next step this whole time. Okay. Alright, bet. Now, I will admit, I am getting help from GPT because I figured I would... It's better that I do this and, like, learn as I go rather than do fucking nothing and learn fucking nothing. But I'm doing this stuff so it can explain, you know, how this stuff works, and I go through and analyze it myself and be like, okay, this is what to do. This is what to do. Bet. Alright, bet. You know what? No, I feel bad about missing that sub alert, so I'm gonna see if this shit actually works. I'm gonna replay it, bro. Dashboard. Did it show? Yes, okay, there you go. It does work. I just missed it. Am I the only one? Thank you again, Captain, for the sub, my friend. Sub. But anybody know Cochise in here? Anybody know? Those that know. Those that know. If you know, you know. That's it. That's all I gotta say. If you know, you know. Okay. Well, you know what? I guess we could just check. We could just make sure everything is good. SSL. The link to Docker. And then, oops, that's bad sounds. Docker.com. Use sudo sh. It already exists. Alright, bet. So we got that. Made sure it's installed. We are good to go. Boom. New group. Docker -- version. Detect the version. I assume this is the new version. I'm going to assume. Oh. Compose is not a Docker command. Let's just go ahead and take a look at the commands, shall we? I already showed this on my other machine, but it's all good. Alright. Put push, pull images, login. Okay. Builder, container, context. Yo. Top 1 most annoying things of all time is OneDrive by Microsoft. Top 1 of all time. The most useless, annoying thing of all time ever. Docker dash compose? Oh, is this supposed to be a dash in between Docker compose whenever I was checking the version? That's a good question. Dude, I should have just done this in non-PowerShell, bro. Even though I am no, wait. But I literally committed myself to the blue dimension, so I would have to use this because it's blue. What is wrong with you? Why are you blue? Doesn't know. No, since I use Docker, but I remember Docker and Docker-compose being 2 different commands. This is a good point. Let's... Yeah, okay, bet. Maybe I have to do dash version. All right, we've already LS'd into network stuff, which is where this is, so. So now, we gotta make actual little files for Unbound, for Pi-hole, and for the DNS mask. Let's go. This is not that bad. This is in, hello, okay, nope, hello. No, yes. Bounds. What? Cannot create directory. What if I were to do it on here, huh? What if I were to do it on here? Would that make any difference? Would that make any difference? Let's see.
Angel's magic light.
What up, Puzzle Trees? How's it going, family? What up, Jay? How's it going? How's it going? What's up, y'all? Just doing a little Docker / SSH learning experience. Trying to get Pi-hole and Unbound running on my Raspberry Pi. Nothing too crazy today. Oh. I almost did it again. Wait. No. What are you doing? Oh, that works. Oh, it's because I named my Pi Henny and not Pi. Okay. Nice. I've got no experience in that hardware stuff, just Docker. Yeah, I figured it'd be pretty fun to learn, you know. Home directory ls/home/Henny, not Pi. Yeah, that's exactly right. You're exactly right. Yeah. I got confused. So now we're gonna do the exact same thing for for this. Yo. C-Pi-hole. Are we running in Docker? I'm gonna try to run Pi-hole and Unbound off the Pi using Docker, just to learn Docker. You know what I mean? Oh, hi, Docker Pi-hole. /etc -enos mask .d. All right, all those are made. This is big. Let's just pull this up in the editor. I assume Nano will be able to work from here. And there is actually nothing. Okay, this is big. So what we'll do... Fuck. No, I'm used to my fucking Linux, my Linux binds on here. Dude, okay. There is actually nothing... Oh, right click. Oh, right click, of course. Right. Not familiar with Pi-hole and Unbound Reload. So Pi-hole is like an ad blocker on the network level, and then Unbound is like a DNS mask type of thing. So it's like, you know, for more secure browsing and stuff. Nah, bro, I'm tempted to go back into earlier in the song whenever. No, I want to go back here. Is this the part I'm thinking of? This is the part I'm thinking of. Oh, this part is good as fuck. Let's go. Let's go. The goal is to use a Pi as some sort of gateway. That's an interesting question. I don't know, actually. I guess so. Yeah. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah. I'd say so. So anything that's like dash pi needs to be dash henny. Yo, so young Coding Jesus has a job search going. It's going all right, family. You know, I got a lot more opportunities now. You know what I mean? Thanks to CJ, which that dude, you know, he helped me out so much. You know, I've been doing the resources he so kindly gave me. You know, studying up and stuff. Oh no. But you know, just making it happen. Dark web, keep cooking, brother. Thank you, family. Also, Nether Bricks. I like the Overwatch League badge next to your name. I like that, dude. Speaking of Overwatch League, I don't know if anybody in here follows Overwatch at all, but Dallas Fuel, my team, is back. So, we're back. Dallas is back, baby. All right, now that's been edited. We move on. So while we're in this directory and we've edited our file using nano. Okay, bet. Let's run this. Docker compose dash f docker dash compose dash vpn dash yml up dash d. Okay, boom. Created a custom .word. Launched Unbound. Launched Pi-hole. Link to Unbound. Check containers. Docker ps. Container ID, image, command, created status, ports, names. You should see Unbound Pi-hole. I don't see that shit, coach. I don't see it. I don't see it. I don't see it, Scott. I don't see it. Bro, anybody watch Austin Powers? It's a classic. Docker compose still is a recognized command. Oh, you're right. You're right. I might have to update that. I bet. Loved Overwatch League. Got to visit Blizzard Arena in 2018. Season Games Live. Dude, that's what's up. Yeah, okay. So a little backstory from me, right? One of my good friends' dads was working with Dallas Fuel, right? On some business partnership stuff. And he was able to get like a bunch of free tickets for us. So we got to go see Dallas, like, we went to DreamHack Dallas, I think 2019, 2018, and got to watch them play live there. And then again, I don't know if it was DreamHack this time, but like one of the times we got like a whole, you know, like the booth up top. You know what I mean? Docker Dash Compose, not sure how you installed. Oh. Yeah. I may not have installed that shit. Maybe not. Okay, so we've already made all those. It's awesome. Overwatch League has so much promise. It really did, bro. It's such a shame. I will say I do actively keep up with OWCS now, though, because, like, I feel like there's, like, the infamous Overwatch renaissance. You can use WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux, to get Linux on Windows. I was going a bit into that the other day, yeah. I was. Never mind if you were SSH. Oh, yeah, we're SSH then. God damn it, man. Shit. Okay, so here's what we'll do, actually. I think we haven't actually configured Unbound yet, so we might have to do that. Even still, got a S-roll to see the error. Okay, forgive me, but what is S-roll exactly? I still have my DeFran jerseys. That's what's up. Yeah, I got a Dallas Fuel jersey and then like a Dallas Fuel like just merch shirt with like XQC, Harry Hook, Mickey, like that OG lineup. I got on there. Scroll up. Okay, bet. All right, yeah, let's see. Docker option command. So this is what happened. Unknown shorthand flag. F and dash F. The dash F. The dash F. Let's see. What was I actually trying to do? You don't have Docker Compose installed, most likely? Yes. I think this is true. This is true. Also, welcome, Nix. Welcome. Hi. Okay. Dash F, then dash D after for detach the file name. After file name. What's up? Wrong order. Oh. Okay. Close dash F. So it should be. You're saying it should be dash D here, then dash F over here? Okay. Let's try that again. No. Yo, why is this shit so slow? Hello? Lock in? Oh my god. What the actual fuck? Where's my keyboard? Holy laginator, coach. Up first, then flags like F and D? I think not 100%. Okay. Flags are at the end, the dash F and dash D. Use the commands beforehand, the up. So this should actually just be nothing. And then dash F, dash D at the very end is what you're saying? Okay, bet. Okay. Why is there bad sounds? It auto-corrected to the ants emoji. Dude, I love that emoji so much, bro. Flags are at the ends. User commands. Oh, I already read. Doc comp up dash F. Dot. Okay. Okay. Let me pull this up. No, hey, but why are you using Windows? Oh, because this is the PC I play games on. That's it. Install Linux. Docker on Windows is very jank. I should probably get a Windows or Linux partition on here, huh? Switch over from Windows 11 to Fedora. Loving it so far. That's a mega upgrade. WSL is jank. Docker still plays weird on Windows, even if running on WSL. Interesting. Whoa! What the hell is happening? Oh my god. I was pressing a command or a button on my keyboard and this thing like fucking pasted itself like 60 billion times. What the hell? Best would be to read the doc, but Docker is composed of the command -f is a file name. You write it after the -f, and -d is to detach it and runs in the background. Yeah, bro, I have no idea what happened over here. Sometimes that happens, bro. I like lean on a key too long. Read the Docker docs. That's actually just a good idea. Why don't we just read? I already listened to this, so we're gonna skip. I haven't heard this one in a while. Try Docker Compose up-d. You might not need to specify file names. This is the only Docker Compose file. We'll give it a shot. Docker Compose up. Unknown shorthand D and -d. Okay. Okay. Something is happening here. Something is happening here. Yeah, Compose needs to be installed. All right, bet. Let's go ahead and just do that. Let's just go ahead and do that. Let's adjust the volume, and then let's get into the installation, shall we? Could I just run Coco, could I just run the apt install command on the SSH right here? Docker PS works, might need docker-compose. Yeah, we're gonna install it real quick. Yeah, okay, bet. Shit. I have to sudo it? Oh, yeah, true. What's unable to locate package? PowerShell, you suck. I hate you, PowerShell. Oh my god, bro, I just gotta reset this one. Sudo apt-get install-y docker compose plugin. Let us do. GPT failed me? Nah, bro, I get you. That's me. That's literally me. GPT failed me just now because, like, I'm not paying for this shit no more, and it said you cannot do anything anymore. So I was like, okay. Nah, this mix is pretty good, bro. Yes. No. You fuck. God damn it, PowerShell. Why are you doing this to me? Ologies has it right. Do a apt repo update. Okay, bet. Let me. That's exactly why I just plugged in my mouse over here, because we're gonna restart the terminal after whatever the hell happened. Hitting an updatinator real quick. All packages up to date. All right, bet. So now. You shit. What the fuck? Why is this not working? It's okay. We'll figure it out. Should be able to do everything you need through the SSH terminal. Yeah. I was just resetting the terminal because I had accidentally left one of the keys that was pushed in from the keyboard that I use for my Pi, and it just like copy pasted something like 10 billion fucking times. But now that's fixed. And now we will go back to the SSH maxing. All right. Why are you blue? Why are you blue? Because we're in the blue dimension. Because we're in the blue dimension. That's why. Okay. So. We must figure this out. Let's analyze the situation we currently find ourselves in. Unable to locate package docker-compose -plugin. Let's figure this out. Let's just say fuck it. Oh, fuck yeah, let's go. Okay, I just got a crazy good text. Oh, and I got a text from my mom. Oh, what my mom say? Hold on. Okay. Bang. The theory on sudo apt update is maybe it needs to fetch packages from the apt repo. That's crazy. I also just got a text from your mom. You coming with us tonight? My mom said there is a very strange man with a shirt that says "Hustle Trees" on it right outside of our house. Is that you? Should be able to do everything you need through the SSH after you ran apt update. That should work. Okay, let's give it a try again. Again. All right, we might just have to curl this. So did apt get update? Let's try it on here. Yeah. Just run it one more time. Oh my god, this lag. Please. Just run that one more time. No. Again. See, I just ran that on the actual Pi thing right there. You know what this makes me do? No. Hardware is hard, but that's why we're all doing it, having fun together, man. That's why it's fun, you know? All right, real quick, before we continue, I'm actually gonna go use the restroom real quick. apt install docker-compose maybe? Yeah, let's give it a try. Let's go sudo. Yeah, sudo. And it should just be like docker-compose. Let's give it a try. Oh, that could have, I think that's it. Hey! Okay. This is massive progress. Okay, good. I'm in. Let's go. Failed to check. No services, nothing need to be restarted. No VM guests are running on outdated hypervisor. Seems to be up to date. Okay, real quick. Since we've had this massive success, I'm going to go bathroom. Everybody in here, I will be back. I will return. What I'm gonna do is leave y'all in the blue dimension. Now docker compose up -d should work if the file is valid. Okay, actually, before I go, let's give that a try. No! Okay, I'll figure that out in a minute. I'll be back. stream. I'm back. Yeah, low-key missed. I missed the mix. Was there anything good? Twitch plays Linux. He should pass all our messages and bash commands. Yeah, sudo docs henny117. True. Hi, Sparty. Okay. So I will say, I probably gotta go pretty soon because I'm gonna go out with some friends of mine. But you know, maybe we could try one more thing. Just seeing how this goes, and then we have an actual thing that we're working on now. So maybe I could just get back to this tomorrow. What do y'all think? Okay. Let's try the original command that I tried to run with this for the first time. So install commands. I forget if this is the wrong syntax or not. Did I press enter? Did it run? Oh, I did. Okay. Wrong? Oh, okay, bet. Wrong file name. Up before any flags. Okay. Up dash D. Okay. So this is the one you all are talking about, right? So do we want to do Docker compose up dash D dash F? Is that what we're thinking here? Wait a minute, that should be the right file name. Docker dash compose dash VPN dash y or dot y. Oh. 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 Dash F into the right file name. Okay. It's not .yml, it's .yaml. Not YML. In LS real quick? Okay, bet. That's actually a good idea. That's a better idea than any of this. It is lagging. This is me whenever it lags. Come in both file extension name variants, and either is fine. Common annoyance. Oh, okay. I was like, yeah, that shit sounds right. Oh my god, this is the lag of death. Hello? Wake up. Wake up. Mr. Docker, please. Okay, nice. Oh my god. Wait, it just completely crashed. Oh, wait. What? Holy shit, it just completely mega crashed. Well, we're still in, at least. It's just LS. Oh, it's 2? BPN? Huh. YML versus YAML gang meme? Is that a meme? Really? So what we can do... dot VPN not YAML. So dash F and then the right file name. So with this, what do we need to change about this? Okay. But still up needs to come directly after compose before any flags. So Docker compose up. Oops. Waiting. Waiting. Ran a command like this before and it worked fine. Let's give this a try and see if it works. And then I'll just try that regular one. So, if I tried this one with the right name, it'll probably give me the same error. Whoa. Whoa. Wait a minute. Oh. 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 Oh my god. It worked. Oh my god, it worked. It was the wrong file name the whole time. Dude, classic. Actual classic, bro. Dude. Okay. Okay, bet. How old is this Pi? This is a Pi 4 Model B, so it's not too old. Well, it worked, but I don't think any of them are actually running, right? Can he even pull it? That is the question. I think we've got a lot more configuring to do. I have the same one, just surprised it's a little slow. Yeah, I mean, it could be a lot of factors. No, a lot of factors at play. Okay, I think actually, now that we got to this point, I think I'm probably gonna just get off stream now and then go back into the real life and touch a little grass. Now that we've hit this gigantic milestone. And I think that I will probably just come back tomorrow. What do y'all think? Thoughts? Also, Nix, thank you for the follow. Thank you. See you later. I'll pop in future streams. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Bye, stream. Bye-bye. It was a fun one today. This is like the first time that I've actually like sat here and worked on something for real. But yeah, thank you everybody who was watching and helping out. I really do appreciate it. This is a lot of fun. I'll be back on tomorrow doing the same thing. You know what I mean? Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait, hold up. New developments? Wait. Was? Oh my god. Yeah, I had to click enter. Oh my god, that's crazy. Container unbound and both have started. Now Docker PS. Is that what I run? Just Docker PS right now? Wait, did I type anything? Okay. Wait, what? Curl your Pi service? Wait, what chat is that from? Is that from YouTube? Where's that? Wait, I just saw somebody say curl. What chat was that from? I didn't see it on Twitch or YouTube. What? Wait a minute. YouTube gang gang, YouTube. Okay. Facebook Live? Man, who knows? Who knows? Okay. Docker, I barely know her. Lol. Okay, so if I wanted to like close this and like come back tomorrow, what would I need to run? Does anybody know? It'll show the active containers? Okay, bet. Okay. Pi-hole and Unbound. They are now active. What'll be sorry? Dark Compose down with the same -F. This one? Blue as fuck? We in the blue dimension today, bro, you know. So we just changed this from up to down. Yeah, no, dash D and instead of down, up. Okay. Okay, bet. Hi, Bob. What's up, dude? What? Dash dash help with commands. You can see what the flash do. Oh shit! I think I gotta do Docker dash dash help actually. Oh no, dash D. Wait. Hi, Ashton. Hi. Dash F first. So Docker compose dash F before down. Okay. This is the last thing I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna get off. I have to go. Try Alt F4? Yes, I will try. Classic. Okay, before down. Oh, boom. Okay. Need file name after? Okay, bet. Find and run multi-container applications. Boom. Always gotta get off mid-coding. Yeah, bro, you know it. Just when we make some progress, I gotta leave. Docker compose dash F file name down. Oh. So Docker compose dash F file name down. All right, this is the last thing I'm gonna do. You're making a VPN? A little bit. A little bit of entry into that kind of foyer, you know? Then down. Down? I said down. Yes. Now enter. He's making a bomb, allegedly. I'm making some code that is, I don't know. I was gonna think of a joke to make there, but I didn't know. Okay. So that makes everything go down. Okay. So that's on and off. Dude, that's what's up. That's awesome. Okay. Okay. Dude, this is huge. This is actually huge. Okay, bet. Yeah, V-Star, I know, right? Okay, so now we got all that done. So what I'm gonna do is actually get off. I'm actually gonna get off now. Docker compose down takes down everything in general? Okay, bet. All services stopped. You could just shut your Pi off, but it's not good practice. Better to down it. Like on my Pi itself. Okay, bet. Alright. So I am going to go. Down the service is greater than down the hardware. This is true. Imagine ripping out the plug out the Pi. Okay, okay. Gotta come in for a second to see a progress on some shit for sure, bro. Thank you for stopping by. Just unplug it, it'll survive. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna hit the off button. LOL. Alright, guys. I gotta go. Thank you so much, everybody. Again, those who are watching. I appreciate you. This is a super fun stream. First actual thing we've actually done over here. But yeah, that's gonna do it. Thank you, everybody watching. I do appreciate all y'all. Thank you, everybody in Twitch, everybody in YouTube. I'll be back on tomorrow working on more stuff. And yeah, that's it. See ya. Bye, stream. Bye, stream. Bye, bye. Bye, stream. Bye. Fuck. Bye, stream. Bye, bye. Bye, bye. See ya.